All right, friends, raise your hand if you've wasted hours this week on repetitive marketing tasks. Yeah, me too. I was stuck in that same trap until I discovered Marketing Automation PLR. In just 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how this digital product solved my biggest pain points and how it can do the same for you. Here's the brutal truth. Most entrepreneurs spend 60% of their time on tasks that could be automated. Lead gen, email sequences, sales funnels. Sound familiar? Marketing Automation PLR gives you ready-to-use, high-converting email sequences, done-for-you sales funnels, professional lead magnets, all with full PLR rights to rebrand and resell. After implementing this, my email conversion rate jumped 37%. I saved 20-plus hours a week, and I made $2,300 reselling it on Etsy. Want these results? The link is pinned in the first comment. For a detailed breakdown, check my LinkedIn. Link in description. This isn't just another digital product, it's your ticket to working smarter in 2025. Click that link before you waste another minute on manual work.